Hi guys, it's Sam here today with Bargain Hunting Blonde, and I am bringing to you an SLG reveal video. So I know this box doesn't look exciting, but let's jump into it. So first off, I wanted to show you guys everything you get when you buy something from Jomashop. So I did buy this from Jomashop. This is not all sponsored. They have no idea I'm making this video. I just kind of wanted to explain to you guys what you get when you buy from them, because I do post a lot of their deals on my stories, and I know people are always like, wow, that's a really good deal. Is it pre-loved? Is it new? So they are new pieces. They do sell gently used luxury watches, but all their designer goods like the SLGs and the handbags, they are all brand new pieces. So it did come in this box, which you can see has all the like little scanning codes and stuff like that. And it's nice that the box for the good came in another box, so in shipping it didn't get hurt or anything like that, because I know recently my packages have been coming from DHL, UPS, FedEx, and they have all been very damaged. UPS probably being the worst offender, but it's nice to know that your good is safe in the box, because some of the boxes I get are just destroyed. So first off, in here you will see there's actually a little Gucci box. And so this is the traditional new Gucci box that you get when you buy something in store. They do limited edition boxes, or when they have a special collection that will have a special box, like the Mickey Mouse collection had a special Mickey Mouse box. I do have a really beautiful kind of traditional, I believe it's like a traditional Japanese painting on a box for one of my bags, and that was just happened to be part of their collection. Not the bag I bought, but that was the the box that SA put the bag in. So very traditional little Gucci box. And I will say I have used this. I have opened this. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen this on Reels. I don't know if anyone watches Reels, but I did make one. So it does come in the traditional little Gucci dust bag, which is this like white silk dust bag with the Gucci emblem on the front. It also came with, and these were actually in the wallet. Oh, I guess I'm giving it away. In the wallet SLG. But I took them out because I'm obviously using it. So it does come with all the little Gucci cards that you normally get when you buy something from Gucci, which is nice. So it's like definitely a fully complete set of Gucci. So in here, like I said, is a little mini wallet. So this is in a pebbled calfskin leather. It is black, and it does have, this is looking a little silver, but they are the traditional like very gold GG that Gucci does do with the Marmont line. This is considered part of the petite Marmont line because the GGs are so small, as you can see on there. So this piece retails for $395 from Gucci. They do still have different variations of it and different colors of it on their website. I paid from Jomashop $260 for it. In California, I did not pay shipping or tax, which was really great. I think if you are they're located in New York, so I think if you are purchasing in New York, you are going to pay tax, but other states are not. This is technically considered a mini wallet or a card holder. I would say it's more of a mini wallet than a card holder. As you guys know, if you've seen any of my other videos, I don't really like card holders. I find they don't hold what I need, and that really bothers me. Measurement wise, and sorry I keep looking down, I want to make sure that I'm giving you the right measurements. The length of the wallet is 4.3 inches, and the height of the wallet is 3.1 inches. So it is very small. I mean, you can kind of see it compared to my hand. It is the standard card holder size, but what makes it different is the depth, and you can see I have stuff in it, and so that does make it a little, wider of a wallet, but it's really still not bad compared to like this is my Calvi, and you can see like, yes, it is double the Calvi, but this Calvi doesn't have a lot in it besides business cards, and it is much more comparable to like two Louis Vuitton clays. So this is my monogram Louis Vuitton clay. So you can see they're very similar, like in actual like length. The clay is actually slightly longer. I believe the Calvi and it are the exact same length. So let's kind of go over what's in this wallet. We're not going to go over exactly what's in here, as in like my credit cards, but I did want to tell you guys and kind of show you what it holds. So it does have 2 card slots here and 2 card slots here. There's also a back on this side, kind of third card slot that you can see that blue card is in. It's not actually a card slot, it's more just kind of like a back pocket, but I put cards in it. There is also on the side with the 2 card slots a zippered section for change. I don't have anything in there at the moment, but that is a really nice feature, and I actually think there is there's one of those little Gucci like little packages so it doesn't get water and like moisture in it. And then there is another slip pocket back there that I have a bunch of cards in. So I have everything, literally everything that I put in my big Louis Vuitton Clemence wallet in this little Gucci mini wallet, which is great. It also has a spot for cash, which is amazing because it has two things that you are not getting in a card holder. One is the cash area, which is also great if you don't carry around a lot of cash. Great for receipts. I put receipts in there all the time. And it does have this coin section. So you can literally, everything you need can be in one small wallet, which is really hard to find because like I showed you guys with the Calvi is only going to hold cards. So then you've got the Calvi and the Bastia, which has my coins in it. So now you're basically looking two pieces that are almost the same width as the mini Gucci wallet. I really like this piece. I had been debating getting it in the Mickey Mouse print. I know a lot of people don't like the Gucci Mickey Mouse print. I love Disney. I love the Gucci Mickey Mouse print. I have had a Disney season pass since I was in 5th grade. Even though I grew up in the Bay Area, that's like where my family decided to travel for vacation. And then I lived in LA for a long time, had a season pass then. I've had a lot of great fun family times at Disneyland. I'm very sad it's closed right now. I've also been to Walt Disney World a bunch of times. So I'm like definitely a Disney person. And I know some people are like, it's very juvenile, but like, I love it. I don't really care. I mean, is it really more juvenile than like this very, very small Nano Speedy? Like, I don't really know. So I like it. And so I've considered getting the exact same style in the Mickey Mouse canvas that Gucci does. So I would say overall, this has been a great small SLG. I've been using it for a while now. I had changed out of my big wallet into it just because I was using smaller bags. I would say, at least for me, it's very on compared to my Louis Vuitton multi-cart, which I love, but does not hold well change. It holds dollar bills fine if you're willing to fold them, but it does not hold change well. This holds change. This literally holds everything, and it fits in so many different things. So that's another thing I want to show you, how and where this wallet fits. So speaking of small little bags, let's take my Nano Speedy. So it does have his little dust bag in there, so I'm going to take that out. Nano Speedy, wallet, putting it in like this. Easy fit. You can either have it standing up, it does stand up and this will still close, or you can lay it more like on its side and it'll definitely close. You have lots of space in there. So that's great. That's definitely a mini bag, at least for me. You know, I know some people are into mini bags that are very, very small, that like wouldn't hold a cell phone. If it's not going to hold a cell phone, I highly doubt it's going to fit this. But, you know, if it does hold a cell phone, it's very likely going to fit this. It would definitely fit in the Palm Springs Mini. We can get this guy, but this guy's very big. This is the, oh, it's my dust bag balls, Celine. And this is the Nano belt bag. And they also do make now a Pico belt bag, which is even smaller, but it is still big. And this wallet will, I mean, this is stuffed, but like the wallet's still going to fit in there with stuffing because this is just a very big mini bag. But like I said, I'm not like a super little mini bag sort of person. But one thing I did want to kind of highlight for you guys is that it does, which I think is very much kind of a miracle, fit. This is the Toiletry 19 and the wallet, and it has, look guys, tons of stuff in it. This wallet will fit in here with all the stuff in it, which is just blows my mind because like I said, I put a ton of stuff in here and like obviously I would want to rearrange it a little bit because this is not arranged well at all, but like wallet is totally in there. And like I've said, I would arrange stuff so it zips closed, but I actually never zip this closed. I just leave it like this in my bag. So if you were worried that you're in a big tote and you want to like put it in something smaller, it definitely fits in your Toiletry 19. And then another one of my small bags, which you guys will have seen if you watched my honeymoon haul, is my Chanel mini rectangular flap in this beautiful blue lambskin color with silver hardware. So I did buy this in the Rue Cambon store. Take out all its beautiful little extras, which I never get because I buy almost everything pre-loved. So it's always nice to get something that's a little different. Let's move out the chain. And as you guys will see, it completely and totally fits in here. I can get my other two phones in here as well with the wallet. It's kind of hard to see. There's the wallet. So I really think that this is quite an amazing wallet. I really, really love the size of it. and how much it holds for a mini wallet. I love that you can get it on sale at Jomashop. I will link down below the other options Jomashop has in this wallet. They do have a light pink, they have a red, so the light pink and the red are slightly more expensive than the black, which to me doesn't make a lot of sense because the black is going to hold up best in all of your bags, like rubbing against other things than like a light pink or even a red. But yeah, I think it's great. I would highly recommend Jomashop if you're looking at Gucci items. They do get like Gucci, they get Fendi, they get Bottega Veneta, they get Celine, they get Chloe. You're not going to see on there like Chanel or Louis Vuitton, but that's kind of par for the course. I think they also get Prada. I haven't really looked at a lot of Prada pieces. They do get Balenciaga. So definitely a good place to check. They're not going to have everything you want, and if it's especially a newer piece that it's really going quick and it's really hot, they're not going to get. But so a wallet they had. So if you like this sort of video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is twice a week. Please make sure to give this video a like and a thumbs up if you liked it, and a comment down below if you have any questions. If you have any videos you want to see, please let me know. If you want to see how I style my SLGs, they normally end up in flat lays, or if you want to see any reels I make with my SLGs, please make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and my blog, all of which are linked down below. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.